need your help. I got a room in the house, just a baby girl. I ain't gotta go to go, but I can float you go, so that's a baby girl. She really goes so don't go, what's the more, so that's a baby girl. When I want you to, want you to, yeah.
Get that brass ready. Shake that brass. No one I can cut it up. Needed in the frying pan. The best one I'm tackle that. So haggy, don't baggy. Don't you make a shit to catch me. Shake that